Everyone, Dave Cook with Daniel and Alfonso, as I like to call him, even though it's not Alfonso at all, but it still sounds good. So we're here in Inverness, and we're getting ready to hang some wallpaper in this room. And I'm not sure what the name of this room is. It's kind of a dining room, kind of a living room, but it's a really big front room. So the paper these guys are hanging today, that is the information on it. Daniel's grabbing a roll so you can kind of see what the paper looks like. All right, so Daniel, what do you got? All right, busy. Kind of cool. Almost looks like those voice things.
It does, like a voice, EVP.
Yeah. So Daniel, what do you think about where are you starting?
I'm gonna be starting probably in this inner corner here, as I'm assuming the main sitting area is gonna be in that little turret area. So they'll be looking up past that way back towards the stair rail. So the pattern should be continuing throughout the whole thing.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. Daniel's getting ready to hang some paper, and this is a paste the wall, I think he said.
Yes, it is.
So they're gonna be pasting the wall, hanging as they go. So can't really see the whole thing of it until we walk around, but that's the whole other side of the room. So Daniel was talking about ending. He selected that inside corner because for the most part, if you're sitting here or sitting there, you're looking out that direction, so that way that pattern comes down that wall and out this one. So it kind of looks as seamless as possible. So this one, Jason Silver from Silver Bullet Remodeling did all the drywall repair work, a bunch of the painting in the home, and then he also did all the prep work for us. So they primed the walls with guards everywhere, so everything's nice and tight, ready to go. Alonzo's taking out all the outlet covers so we can paper around those. And then we will start hanging. So it's nice to paste the wall so they can paste and hang pretty quick, but it's still a 2-day job. It's a lot of wall space, and then by the time you're cutting around all the windows, it takes a lot of time. So you got questions about wallpaper installation, let us know how we can help you love the space you're in. Franco Painting and Wallpaper.